Hey y'all, Chuck with No Time to Be Said. Rick.
How are y'all?
We are in East. We're in Matagorda. We're going fishing. It's gonna be an awesome day. Well, I've been thinking about this trip for a couple of months now. The tide is really high. But anyway, it ought to be a pretty good day of fishing. I'm excited. We gotta buy some shrimp. Shrimp.
We gotta get a quart of shrimp.
A quart?
Yeah. Need to ask them if this water in here is fresh.
Okay.
Or not before I pump water in.
Okay.
We don't want to kill it.
Okay, let's go in here and buy some shrimp.
Good luck.
Good luck. Haven't done that in a while. If I could only convince Paige to buy a sailboat, we could sail across the world. That would be my ultimate dream. Okay, first spot. He doesn't have a troller motor, but we have a drift sock, so we're just gonna drift the, where are we at?
We're on the south shoreline of East Matagorda, on the west end of East Matagorda Bay. Drifting a flat. We got mullet popping around. Typically, we should catch, this early, we should catch some reds and trout up here shallow. That's what we're going to do. Catch them. That looks like a big trouble.
Well, this is our setup right here. I'm going to show you. It's a popping cork. What size weight is that?
Ounce and a half weight.
Ounce and a half weight on a leader with a number 8 treble hook. Some live shrimp. And got a little bit of a, got a swivel there. And a swivel there, and we just pop it, and then the sound of the popping cork, you know, it turns on the fish, and then yeah, they attack it. Pretty simple, huh? Rick says it may be Modelo time. I think that means it's Modelo time.
Yes, sir.
Cheers.
Cheers. Catch fish. Real fish.
Rick caught a couple of little hard heads. I lost my bait once. We're going to another spot. Trout number one. Well, I thought I had a redfish. Sun gun was fighting me hard, but now, yeah, I got this.
Another pair. You need two pair. One to hold on to the fish and one to get your hook. Here.
Twist it up now.
Here.
Well, I got me another trout, my second trout. Trout's been kind of hard to find today, but we just drifted up. We just moved to a new spot, and I think we're on them. Yeah, here we go. Shit. Well, it's definitely a bigger one. Let's see what it is.
Gap top.
There you go. And there's another gap top. Paige's friends will like that. Yep, there you go. Today is an awesome day of fishing. Speckled trout. Yay. Well, we decided to come off of the water. We couldn't check in till 1 anyway. We're staying here at the Fisherman Motel. We always stay here whenever we come here. But it's $80 US a night. It's not a bad little room. It actually holds 3 people. Or 4 if you, yeah, really 4. 3 men. Anyway, it's not a bad little room for $80 a night. I got a couple of nice looking, he said, oh, let me gut them for you, but now he just filleted them. The ladies won't eat that. But we're gonna go out there and catch some more in a little while. So we're gonna go catch some more in a little while. Well, we got rested up, 4 o'clock, going back out, and we're gonna fill the boat up this time. Hopefully. Good looking fish there. Well, that's it. Got a few fish in the boat. Beautiful sunset. Gonna go. I told Rick I haven't had a steak in about
Almost 2 years.
a little over a year.
Since I cooked one.
Yeah, so let's go get some. Let's go get a steak.
We got 'em.
T-bone. Is that a T-bone?
Ribeye.
Ribeye. Man, that looks so good. It's been so long since I've had that. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Tomorrow is going to be awesome. I hope you come with us. Yeah, I'm going to eat steak and potato right now. Thanks, Rick.
Me too.